All right, just received this in a FedEx delivery. So it's going to be the amazfit Balance 2. Hopefully you can read that there. This is the packaging. That's what the watch looks like. Right now we're wearing the Active 2 by the same company. So let's see if we can figure out how to open this. I see a little pull tab here. There's that. And it opens from the bottom. So we'll put that aside. Nice white box inside. And there it is. So that's what it looks like right there. So it comes with some paperwork. Right there. It's a nice little booklet, kind of thick. And you get all right, come on, stuck on there. Charging puck. This is the base for it. You can see there. So it's got a little texture so it doesn't slide around. 2 pogo pins on the top, branding inside, right there. And it comes with 2 different straps. So you get an orange one that's similar to this, a little bit bigger spacing. You can see there from what the Active 2 has. And you also get a black in color silicone band. And then here is the watch itself. So there we go. Squeeze that out of there. Take the sticker off. There's what we're looking at. And let's take a look at the Active 2 sensors on the bottom and the Balance 2 on the right. You can see they look pretty much the exact same. And if you're not familiar with this, it came out in China a while ago and it just came out to the rest of the global market. And I'll put a link down in the description so you can check out all the full specs. But let's see if we get any juice in here. Okay, well, that doesn't want to turn on just yet, so let's try. Unplug the power from the phone that we're recording on. This is the iPhone 16 Pro. These do not come with a USB cable for the watch. You just have to use your own. Lines up that way. And let's see if we can get it to power up now. There's a buzz. A little logo, Zep OS. Charging 75%. So we'll take it off there. Here is our setup, English. It's telling you to download the app, which I've already got. So let me go grab the phone that I have the app on and be right back. All right, so I grabbed the Oppo Find N5. This is a global version. You can see the actual message there, it just delivered. So we've got the Zep app. And let me bring it off camera just a little bit so I can see what I'm doing. Go to the, right here. So you click on the watch over there, click on add. So it says that we've already got the round. We're gonna add another. See watch, scan code. We're gonna let it have permission for camera. And now it's asking to pair. You can see that it's showing the same code. We're going to give it contacts and call log as well. And we're going to say yes on there as well. So while it's doing all that, let's grab one of the bands. We'll take a look at what that looks like with the band on it. And there we go. So there's the band. These are a little bit stretchy. You can see the always on display just kicked on. Let's get this unbuckled here. Definitely a little bit of a struggle. Come on. Slide that down. There we go. And that. All right, so give me just a moment. I'm going to get the bands put on. Be right back. All right, so we've got the strap on. And there's the default watch face. You can see there. Let's go ahead and put that on so you can see what it looks like. Very hard to do with the camera in the way, but we'll pull that a little bit. That's what it looks like there. Put the Active 2 next to it so you can see the size difference there. So this is going to be a little bit bigger. This has 2 small buttons on the right side, microphone, speaker there. This guy actually has 2 speakers, and you'll see there's one right there and one right there by the dial. This crown does rotate, so let's go into the apps and you can see that it rotates. You get a little haptic feedback for each item as it scrolls by. And your default widgets. Swipe up, notifications. Swipe down, you get your quick toggles. If you want to edit those, just long press on the icons. And now you can remove any that you want. Go over to the final right side and you can click the plus to add. Leave those alone for now. So that is a quick first look. And we'll just finish up the setting here. And it actually has a system update, so I'll run through that. I'll play around with the watch for a while. And if you guys want to see a review on this watch, on the Active 2, comparison between these two, anything like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to put something together for you guys. But that was just a real quick look at a unboxing and a first look around the watch. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.